Good morning. I'm Eric Wahlberg. I'm here to talk to you about this year's science department goals. But before we get started, I'd like to introduce our science department. First up, this is Leia. Leia teaches 6th grade science.
And
8th grade science, 4th hour. Miss Brink teaches 7th grade science. BK, also known as Miss Cotner, teaches 6th grade science. Let me flip the flip phone. Mr. Schuhart teaches 8th grade science. I'd also like to introduce Mr. Herbert. Mr. Herbert teaches 7th grade science. And Tom Jordan. Tom Jordan, he's the master of all trades. He teaches math as well as science, but both of them are obviously engaged with another activity, collaborating, interacting, and being focused. First science department goal that I'd like to talk to you about this morning, it's a target goal known as writing. Writing. Students will journal written responses to questions, bell ringers, tickets out the door at least once a week, with expectations for complete sentences, complete thoughts, and proper grammar. Artifacts and evidence. I'd like to show you journal entries. I'd like to show you tickets out the door. Ticket out the door. Ticket out the door. Next, I'd like to talk to you about our pre-reading strategy. Our pre-reading strategy is our second target goal. Please follow. All teachers will use pre-reading strategy in class at least once a marking period before assigning a reading assignment. I'd like to share one of those with you. All right. I'd like to talk to you about our third target goal. Our third target goal has to do with speaking. Speaking. Students will engage effectively in a range of collaborative discussions. One-on-one, in groups, teacher-led, with diverse partners on grade-appropriate topics, text, issues, building on other ideas, and expressing their own clearly. Last but not least, I would like to share with you our fourth department goal, critical thinking. 8th grade, students will take a stand on 2 critical thinking issues per year. Students will be evaluated on using a common form, our artifacts and evidence, critical thinking slice, with our claim, evidence, reasoning. 6th and 7th grade, 4th department goal, students will use claim, evidence, reasoning, also known as the SIR slice process, for answering questions. I'd like to thank you for joining us this morning, joining us in taking part in our highly effective, collaborative environment, engaged atmosphere for science department goals. I hope you benefit, I hope you prosper in the next school year from this presentation.